Hello everyone! Happy time zone sa ating lahat. Thank you po sa dami natin ngayon For a while lang po spotlight ko lang. There you go. Happy time zone everyone! Congratulations for being here at ikaw talaga yung nabigyan ng chance at opportunity na matuto for tonight. Anyways, if I may ask, pwede ba ma-comment niyo dyan kung saan country kayo ngayon na nakikinig? Okay lang ba? Ayan, comment natin guys. If you hear me loud and clear. Ayan, all right. We have from Qatar, from Canada, KSA. Ayan, may iba naka-on duty pa. Wow. Saludo po sa mga OFW na andito. Kahit sobrang busy, nakikinig pa din. If hindi naman po, hindi nyo po matatapos, we have a recording on this so you can ask for a copy naman mamaya if ever. Yan, we have from Philippines, from Dubai, Hong Kong, Qatar, Korea, yan, Turks, and how do I pronounce this? Caicos Islands. Wow. Marami tayo ng parami. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng andito. Ayan, so super exciting kasi ngayon it's about learning and I believe if there's something na talagang nagbibigay buhay sa atin is yung mga bagay na willing pa tayong matuto, 'di ba? Kasi as long as you're still learning, for sure buhay na buhay pa yung ano natin, yung mga utak natin, no? Or still very active pa. Okay? So, sa mga Pilipinas naman, sa mga dito sa Pilipinas, I believe sobrang ano na po, anong oras na ba? Wag na favor ko lang sana wag naman sigurong mag-on ng camera or mag-on ng mic tapos may mga humihilik pa. Joke lang guys Now, ano ba yung pag-uusapan natin? Okay? Yan, 7 p.m. daw sa Jeddah. Good thing po, hindi pa siguro inaantok. Ano ba yung pag-uusapan natin tonight guys? Straight to the point, okay? I believe you're here to learn more about forex trading, all right? And that's what we're gonna discuss to you today. And as well as, no, paano ba mag-forex trading? Paano ba siya gawin? Kahit 5 to 15 minutes lang of your own time. Also, by using your cell phones.
Hi coach, nawala yung audio coach.
Thank you, thank you. Yan, there you go. Okay na ba? Type number 1 if you hear me loud and clear. Yan. All right. Thank you so much. Again, ulitin ko po, tama yung narinig nyo. You can earn here sa forex trading na ituturo namin sa inyo by the use of your cellphones. Lahat naman siguro dito may mga cellphones, tama? And by earning dollars kahit on your spare time as long as you are still willing and open to learn. All right? So, parami tayo ng parami. Welcome po. Again, happy time zone sa ating lahat. But meron lang akong favor. Okay lang ba? Tatlong favor lang. Number 1 is just keep your minds open. I'm pretty sure a lot of you have heard about forex trading. Maybe some of you, may iba dito na may mga positive experiences. Well, congratulations for you. And meron ding iba na hindi din maganda yung experiences katulad ko. Well, okay lang 'yon, no? Kasi may mga pag-uusapan tayo this time na mas matututo ka na. Okay? Alam mo na paano mag-spot or yung mga red flags na hindi maganda na ginagamit si forex trading sa mga hindi magandang bagay. Okay? Number 2, okay? Keep your minds open kasi, still keep your minds open kasi kahit anong blessing or learnings yung isi-share namin sa inyo at the end of the day, baka hindi nyo mag-grasp kasi nga nakafocus pa kayo sa mga bagay dati. So focus ka muna ngayon, okay? Number 2, bawal muna yung mga natutulog dyan, no? Baka may iba pa na nagluluto, meron ba? Well, kung medyo busy ka ngayon, okay lang, no? Pero kung kaya mong mag-focus at maghanap ng magandang internet connection that will do Kasi baka mamaya guys, ilalak na namin tong Zoom webinar, bigla kang nawala, hindi mo na siya matatapos kasi hindi na kami magpapapasok in the middle. No? Kasi maraming mga instances dati na pumasok tapos hindi nila natapos. Sayang naman kasi may mga good news. May mga good news tayo until the end. Okay? So, i-announce namin mamaya. Okay? And last but not the least, okay? Now, can I ask everyone to pray with me? Kasi I believe this will not happen kung walang blessing kay Lord. Imaginein mo, sa lahat ng oras, bakit ngayon? Bakit ngayon pa? Pwede ka namang maglaba, pwede kang may kadate, pwede ba yung ginagawa mo? Pero I believe may divine purpose si Lord kung bakit andito ka ngayon. Healthy, nakikinig, malakas yung internet connection, walang brownout, at 'di ba? Humihinga pa. All right? So let's pray together, guys. Let's put ourselves in the most holy presence of the Lord. Lord Heavenly Father God, we just wanna thank you, God. We just wanna honor you, we praise you, God. Maraming salamat po kasi talagang andito kami ngayon na natuloy po yung webinar namin. Salamat po sa mga buhay ng mga tao na andito. Thank you, Lord, for their hearts and their minds na willing pa silang matuto. And of course, Lord, I believe they're doing this not just for their own selves, but for those people, family nila na talagang gusto din nila tulungan, Lord. Bless this event, God, na maraming matouch na hearts, marami silang matutunan so they can apply this, Lord, and for them to earn as well, oh God. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. All right. Guys, again, welcome to our Forex webinar, intro and cheat codes. Pakilala ko din yung sarili ko, guys. Okay, so by the way, I'm MJ Canoy. I'm from Iligan City, sa mga Bisaya dere. Mayang adlaw sa atong tanan. And I graduated from MSU IIT and I finished Information Technology. So for quite some time, guys, alam naman natin no na medyo hindi din ganun ka ganda yung mga trabaho na naghihintay once you graduate kasi ang daming graduate. Depende na lang talaga kung ano yung trabaho na naghihintay sa'yo pero hindi siya ganun kadali. That is why I opt in for a distribution business. Sino ba dito mga negosyante? Pa-comment naman number 1 or mga meron ding mga ginagawang negosyo. Ayan, may mga nagko-comment na. Sa Iligan po, medyo malapit lang po ako sa bus terminal. Ayan. So, 5 years na din po sa digital business, may mga rental business din po kami, nagko-content creator din po ako. And I just wanna share with you, ano yung, kailan ako nag-start sa Forex? I started 2018, no? I started 2018, sad to say, hindi ko alam na I joined a scam, no? Ang masakit kasi doon, lahat sila mga sorry to mga it's a group of pastors, no? Parang kung narinig niyo yung kapa before dyan, may nasalihan kami and it's really sad but somehow it was a blessing in disguise kasi doon ko na-realize na si Forex pala is really legit, no? It's just that a lot of people have been doing or so nakikiride on sa forex trading tapos hindi pala maganda yung mga ginagawa nila. And don't worry, no, nakaka-relate ako sa mga andito kung may mga experience kayo. Magtulungan tayo to really recover from what happened, no, kung anumang pinagdadaanan mo ngayon. Okay lang yan, galing din kami dyan. And I also started one of the communities din na very close to my heart, which is the Madiscarting Pinoy community. Kasi I believe lahat tayo mga Pinoy masisipag. Talagang sabi nga, STD, sipag at tiyaga. Pero somehow, minsan lang din kulang yung diskarte. No? Kasi ang alam lang natin is magtrabaho, which is not bad. No? We're very grateful na may trabaho tayo. Pero iba pa din pag may extra ka. Tama ba? Would you agree with me? Guys, I have a question for you. Bakit ka andito ngayon? Okay? Bakit ka andito ngayon? What's your reason? Kasi ako guys, I am motivated na maghanap pa ng eksang pagkakakitaan para sa pamilya ko. Can you comment down what's your reason that you're here? Aside from learning, ano yung reason kung bakit ka andito ngayon? Ano yung motivation mo? Bakit ka andito ngayon? Sige nga, can you share with me? Can you share dyan sa GC? Thank you, Sir Roger, to earn for a living. Wow. That's really nice, no? Kasi sino ba namang ayaw na, 'di ba, may extra ka sa buhay-buhay para makabangon ulit, para makapag for good. Wow. For good sa Philippines, makabayad ng utang, tama ba? Sino ba dito gusto mabayaran yung mga utang nila? Kaway-kaway naman diyan, makasama ang pamilya. Well, I hear you, no? The reason why I'm here, it's because yung father ko po is an OFW, kaya salute po sa lahat ng mga OFW na andito. My father went to KSA when I was around 10 years old. Can you just imagine? Until now, nasa Saudi pa din, no? And my mother is a public school teacher by profession. My brother is an engineer. And my partner is a registered nurse, no? Guys, kahit anong edad mo na, kahit 'di ba, I mean, anong background mo, you just want a good life for the people that you love. Not for you, not hindi lang para sa iyo, but for them, no? You want to have that what we call as quality life. Okay? Type QL if you want a quality life for your family. When you say quality life, you get to have the chance to go to their special events. Ano ba 'yun? Graduation, birthdays, and ako as an anak ng OFW tsaka teacher, guys, I'm really proud na I go to school, I have medals, ganyan. Ang masakit na part is iba yung sumasabit ng medals para sa akin, yung kapitbahay na lang na pwedeng suyuin. Kasi nga, my parents were not around. And this time, I cannot imagine na yung tatay ko nasa abroad, ako na naman mag-a-abroad, tapos yung nanay ko maiiwan dito sa Pinas. Imagine, minsan na nga lang kami magkikita-kita na buo. Tapos at the end of the day, no? At the end of the day, ano pa, maghihiwalay-hiwalay pa, 'di ba? I don't want that. That is why I really decided na kung merong pagkakakitaan na dito lang ako sa bahay sa Pilipinas, kasama ko yung pamilya ko buo, 'di ba? I am good with that. Kasi ang oras hindi kayang bilhin ng pera. And if you're someone listening to me and nakaka-relate ka doon na you wanted to have a quality lifetime for your family, at the same time may extra, hindi naman, 'di ba? I mean, wala naman sigurong masama na may extra ka. Hindi naman natin inaasam-asam na sobrang yaman, makabili pa ng yate, makabili pa ng eroplano. That's good, okay yan. Pero ako, guys, to be honest, I just want to have a good life for my family. Yung tipong makakapag out of the country twice or thrice a year, 'di ba? Makakapag Boracay na Bohol na hindi mo na iisipin kung saan ka pa kukuha ng ekstrang pera kasi andyan na. All right? Kaya that's the reason why, guys, na I'm grateful by sa community na to kasi nawala ulit yung mic ko. Nawala ba? Ayan. All right, na ano, guys, saglit lang, guys. Ayan. Mic check. Alright, ayan. So, again, guys, sila yung naging motivation ko to really do good sa buhay para at least naman, 'di ba? Minsan lang tayo mabuhay, sagarin na din natin. Okay? So, now, if you are that person, I have good news for you. Stay until the end. And if wala ka ng hugot sa buhay, okay ka na, I think okay lang din just for you to learn tonight, okay? At least may option, okay? Now, disclaimer lang po, we do not accept any investment here. Bakit? Ang goal po ng community, ang goal po ni Pinoy Traders Community, ang goal po ni Kabayan Traders Community is to educate and teach you how to trade here using your own money. Ayaw natin yung hindi po kami dito nagpapasabay ng trade. Kunwari, may magsasabi sa inyo, magme-message sa inyo, MJ Canoy ang pangalan, tapos sinabi sa inyo na magpapa-invest, ako yung magte-trade. We do not tolerate that kind of culture here sa community natin. Okay? Kasi yan yung reason kung bakit marami ding nagte-take advantage na nasa scam. Alright? Yung mga pasabay trading. Okay? Now, we don't do that here. Dito, tinuturuan talaga namin kayo. Okay? One of the worst thing that happened to us, guys, share ko lang sa inyo. Kaya ayaw namin yung mga ganito, yung mga pasabay trade, magbibigay kayo ng pera tapos iba yung magte-trade sa inyo. Yan din kasi yung nangyari sa amin dati nung sabi ko sa inyo, nagbigay lang kami ng pera, 'di ba? Sasabihin may tubo every month ganyan. Only to find out nadamay pa namin yung ibang mga kakilala namin, only to find out that it was a scam. And ang masakit guys, it almost cost broken relationships, 'di ba? Mga sana hindi na lang nangyari kasi almost na yun legal na mga processes eh. Hindi ka makakatulog ng maayos. Would you agree with me? Pag may mga instances na ganyan, kahit 'di ba yung peace of mind mo very hindi mo maiwasan na hindi makatulog ng maayos, mag-anxiety ka. Kaya dito guys, let's correct that kind of culture. Let's correct that kind of mindset para hindi ka na ma-scam, wag ka nang magpa-scam. Walang maloloko kung walang magpapaloko. Okay? Kaya this time, the best thing you can learn tonight is hindi na kayo maloloko. At least hindi na kayo ma-scam. Kasi guys, promise, I've been there, hindi talaga siya madali. Kaya, aralin natin in a proper way. Okay? Now, okay, yan. Dalawa yung pag-uusapan natin. We have the basic forex and as well as the cheat codes. If I may ask guys, sa mga wala pang idea or wala pang experience sa forex trading, can you comment number 1 if you're someone na beginner ka pa talaga, hindi mo pa masyadong kapa si forex, yan. Can you comment number 1? Ayan. Konti lang ba? Just wanna know guys kasi baka lang medyo advance yung pag-usapan natin dito, mag-nosebleed kayo bigla. I just wanna check on the crowd para ma-adjust natin yung mga pag-uusapan, ganyan. I can, ayan, alright. Now, for those people na naman, may idea na nakapag-trade na, can you comment number 2? Can you comment number 2 dyan? Right? Wala ba? As in, pa? Yan, mayroong number 2. Ayan, daming number 1. Si number 2 medyo konti lang. Tinitingnan ko lang sa ano ko guys, dito sa... Hindi ko kasi makita yung mga chats nyo dito sa MacBook ko, kaya sa phone na lang ako. Ayan, medyo konti lang yung mga advance. Okay, now, is it okay? Maglalambing lang po ako sa may mga experience na muna tayo, adjust muna tayo konti sa karamihan ha. Don't worry kasi may mga special trainings naman for you guys na medyo advanced din. But sa mga may experience na, I hope this will serve as a refresher na lang din. Okay? Now, guys, another question. Daming tanong ni Coach MJ. Guys, I just wanna make this interactive para hindi din kayo antokin. Kasi kung talagang seryoso tayo dito, baka kanina inaantok na kayo. Wala na, tulog na kayo eh. I have a question for you. Is Forex risky or not? Yes or no? Sagot ka dyan sa comment section. Is Forex risky or not? Ano sa tingin nyo? Yes, all right. Yes, risky. Guys, I will agree with you and I have to be transparent with you. Forex is very risky. Okay? And this is not for people na walang lakas ng loob sa buhay. No? Pero kung OFW ka, alam ko, requirement yung lakas ng loob. But if you will ask me, it is also very, very rewarding. Okay? Now, most of you guys na andito, nag-comment from ibang bansa, I believe so, you're working abroad, no? Tatay ko guys, started, wala pang internet sa mga bahay noon. I can remember, naabutan ko pa yung mail. As an OFW, is it a risk for you to go abroad? Sa tingin nyo? May risk ba ang pagiging OFW? I believe so, yes. Kasi bakit? Hindi mo alam kung anong nag-aantay sa'yo sa country na yon. Okay ba yung mga kasama mo? Okay ba yung amo mo? 'Di ba? But why do you still take the risk? Simply because hindi mo naman iniisip lang yung yung risk eh. You're also thinking of the possibility na malaki din yung posibleng kitain. Ano yung buhay na naghihintay sa atin dito? 'Di ba? So, lahat tama no, lahat may risk. Okay? Pero I believe with the proper risk management, may tinatawag tayong risk management, tapos inaaral mo yung isang bagay, 'di ba? Hindi na siya lalaki yung risk. Okay? Kunwari, 'di ba, magtatanong ka na kung legit ba yung trabaho mo, kung nagre-research ka na on your end, and that's what we're gonna do here as well. Forex can be risky, but mami-minimize mo ang risk kung natututo ka na, kung naaaral mo na siya. Of course, papasok ka sa Forex, nag-trade-trade ka dyan, para mo siyang ginawang gambling, talo ka talaga dyan. Diyan papasok yung risk pag ginagawa mo siyang gambling. Hindi po gambling, hindi po sugal si Forex. Meron po siyang sinasabi natin, hindi siya I mean meron siyang basis kasi we're trading currency pairs here. So hindi siya tsamba-tsamba, okay? Pag inaral mo siya, it can be very very rewarding, okay? Ayos tayo diyan ha. So next, why Forex? Simply because I consider Forex right now as a digital business. Kasi guys, si Forex po, it's the buy and sell of currencies. Okay? Now, bakit maganda siyang gawin din on the side? Kasi nga, lahat naman tayo may cellphone na, lahat tayo may laptop na, may internet na. Sayang naman, 'di ba? Instead maubos yung oras mo, kaka-TikTok, kakapanood, pinapayaman natin yung mga influencers diyan. Wala naman tayong kinikita. Why not i-take advantage na din natin? Alright? Kasi mapag-iiwanan talaga tayo. Second, flexible lifestyle. Now, marami dito magtatanong, I'm from Canada, I'm from KSA, may trabaho ako. Guys, just so you know ha, 90% po sa community natin are OFWs. May iba dyan from Canada, 2 job, 3 trabaho. May iba from KSA, yung iba wala masyadong signal nga yung iba. Pero you can do this at your spare time. Okay? If you're working, pagkatapos ng trabaho, pwede mo siyang gawin. Kasi hindi naman necessary na full-time mo siya agad gawin or the whole day ka talaga magmo-monitor ng charts. Just like what yung impression ko dati ba na ay kailangan yan, dapat matalino ka, dapat mataas yung oras mo. Don't worry, no? Kasi you can do this 15 to 30 minutes a day and at your free time, okay? And aside from that, low startup cost, okay? Now, you can start low because we wanted you to start low. Ayaw namin din guys na magsimula kayo ng sobrang laki tapos wala ka pang idea kung paano. Masusunog din 'yan. Ang maganda dito, you can start for as low as $50, $100 para at least habang inaaral mo pa. Also, you can start with demo accounts, live charts, tapos demo money. I have a student from Canada, guys. Her name is May. 1 month and 1 week siya sa community. Tsaka siya nag-live trade on the the 1 month and 1 week. So demo lang siya. Nung nag-live trade na siya, 3 days, she made her $100, naging $2,200. Kaya very high earning potential. May mga kasama po kami dito kumikita ng 100,000, 200,000, 300,000. Not 1 month, not 1 week, but only for a night. Imagine niyo, ganun kalaki yung posibleng kitain din dito. And no experience needed. Kaya if you're a beginner, this is really perfect for you kahit zero knowledge ka pa. And whatever age or background na meron ka, you have, pwedeng-pwede ka dito. Alright? Now, guys, is Forex trading legit? Yes, of course. 'Di ba? Marami lang talagang nakikiride on sa Forex trading, kaya nagiging scam. Notice this, yung mga nagko-comment na, eto, kumita ako ng ganito kalaki, di ba? Meron din yan sa crypto eh. So, very red flag yan guys, no? Yung magpapa-invest tapos hindi mo alam kung kailan mo mawi-withdraw, okay? Pero legit na legit po si Forex trading. Now, what is Forex by the way? It's the abbreviation of foreign exchange. Again, it's the buy and sell of currencies. Ano ba yung traditional way of Forex? Okay, eto yan. This is very, very normal sa mga OFW, di ba? Natutuwa yung tatay ko sa Saudi pag mataas yung palitan ng US, no? Kasi bakit, di ba? If you're working abroad, if you're from the US, hindi mo naman pwedeng gamitan yung US dollars mo dito sa Pilipinas. Meron bang ganun? 'Di ba? Siguro na lang kung mag-a-accept ng dollars, tama? Pero 'di ba pinapalitan mo? Okay? Pinapalitan natin bago tayo makakuha ng certain currency. Nano-notice nyo guys, ano yan, buy and sell. Yung mga bangko binibili at higher price, cheaper price, tapos binibenta nila at a higher price. Malaki pong kita sa ganito ha. But however, this is the traditional way. Ito yung nakikita natin na yung mga bangko, yan, mga forex ano yan, andyan sa mall, andyan sa airport. Ito yun, buy and sell of currencies. Okay? Now, however, worldwide na po kasing ginagawa si Forex, no? May mga platforms na online. Kaya po, it's the largest financial market in the world. And as we speak, hindi na lang po 6.7 trillions of dollars are traded every day. But it is around 7 trillions of dollars are traded every day. Okay? Now, mas malaki pa ba to sa crypto and sa stocks, Coach MJ? Yes. Si Forex po ang pinakamalaki, sobra, when it comes to trading. Alright? Again, global market. At the same time, it's the most liquid business in the world. Okay? Now, ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng liquid? Yung in and out ng pera, napakalaki. Kaya, when someone tells you, eto guys, friendly reminder, when someone tells you na mag-invest ka sa Forex, tapos hindi mo pa mawi-withdraw for a week, for 2 weeks, for 1 month, 'di ba? Very red flag 'yun. Kasi guys, when you're in a regulated broker, which means legit broker, no? Anytime you can withdraw your money. Anytime you can deposit your money. Wala pong hold sa Forex, no? It depends na sa'yo. Kunwari, naka-AI ka or naka-EA, let's just say, no? Baka after 1 month mo pang withdrawin, pwede yon. Pero when you say na hindi mo siya pwedeng withdrawin, malabo yun. Kasi para mo siyang para siyang bangko na anytime naglagay ka ng pera, anytime ka din pwedeng mag-withdraw, okay? And it operates 24/5. Kasi po for weekends wala pong market except for BTC and USD, okay? It is available on any smart devices. And guys, did you know, dati kasi hindi tayo allowed mag-trade. Only the government, the central banks, yung financial institutions sa Wall Street, sila lang yung allowed. And it's very timely, no? Na tayo as individuals, we call ourselves as retail traders. The good thing is, this time, may internet na, may cellphone na, may technology. Napakaswerte natin sa panahon natin ngayon na we can do it already at the comfort of our homes. Kung saan ka man ngayon, as long as meron ka nung sinabi ko sa'yo. Alright? Now, guys, para lang siyang idea is, ang concept is, di ba, buy and sell ng bigas. Okay? Bili ka at a cheaper price, benta mo at a higher price. Same din sa currency. For example, dollars. 'Di ba? Kung inabutan mo na tag 50 pesos pa si dollars, tapos na bumili ka ng dollars, kunwari you're from the Philippines, nung time na 50 pesos pa si US dollars, bumili ka sa bangko, nag-keep ka, okay? Worth yon, $1,000 yung binili mo. After those years, tumaas si USD, naging 58. That means, imaginein mo guys kung $1,000 yun, tapos may extra kang spare na 8 pesos, no? Kita mo every dollar, magkano yung kikitain mo? Meron kang 8,000 pesos doon. 'Di ba? Wala kang ginawa, nag-buy and sell ka lang ng currency. Meaning, meron kang 8 pesos profit for every dollar that time. Sino dito nagbumibili ng mga dollars or merong mga dollar account, 'di ba? May mga ganun may mga dollar account para at least, 'di ba? Pag tumaas si dollar, nakakasabay din sila sa kita. All right? Malungkot ang mga OFW pag mababa si US dollars kasi affected lahat talaga ang currency pag bumababa si USD. Tama ba ako? Naalala ko tatay ko dati pag mababa yung USD, nalulungkot na kasi nababawasan yung ipapadalang pera. Anyways, the question is, if the price goes down Sir MJ, will you still make money? Kasi in-explain mo kanina, ano lang mag-hold ka tapos ibebenta mo pag tumaas yung price. Yes, because simple lang, no? Dalawa po yung position natin sa market. You can do the buy position and you can do the sell position. Okay? Now, guys, when you say buy position, ang ginagawa mo dito is you are positioning yourself na fino-forecast mo na ang market is going to go up. Okay? That means pag nag-up siya, tama yung forecast mo, paldo ka doon, kita ka doon. Now, simple lang, pag na-forecast or fino-forecast mo din na ang market is mag-go down, you do the sell position, kikita ka pa din doon. Dati kasi akala ko, pag nakakita lang ako ng nagpula-pula dyan, akala ko negative na agad. Okay? Hindi pala. Okay? That means kahit you're on a sell position, pag na-forecast mo ng tama, na-read mo yung tama ang charts and mga news, kikita ka pa din pala even if nag-drop yung market. Alright? So, again, pag tataas, aakyat, buy. Guys, bear with me ha. Remember this kasi may mga questions ako later on sa inyo na regarding this. Tapos, pag magda-down, sell. Okay? Ayos ba? Now, these are the Forex major currency pairings, guys. Okay? Mostly, Forex major currency pairs holds US dollars kasi yun naman talaga yung main currency natin at the moment. Okay? Now, ito yung mga tinitrade natin. We also have mga commodities like gold, USD. We also have indices like US 30, Dow Jones 30. Yan yung top 30 company sa US. Alright? So, yan yung mga tinitrade natin. Now, also another terms to remember. We have the take profit and the stop loss. Okay? Now, sabi nga, TP and SL. Okay? Ano ba yung take profit? Very simple, guys. It's an order wherein pag ma-reach na niya yung certain na sinet mo na order, automatic magko-close na yan. Okay? Tapos, TP ka na, income ka na dyan. Automatic na siya magko-close, that means kita ka na. And stop loss also para hindi maubos yung pera mo. Kasi guys, sa forex trading, hindi siya talaga 100% kikita ka. Okay? Again baka sabihin nyo, coach, nagturo pa kayo, hindi pa naman pala 100%. Guys, I have to be honest with you. Kahit sino pa yan, I tell you, when it comes to trading, wala talagang 101%. May talo pa din. Kasi number one, hindi natin alam yung movement ni market. No? Yes, you can forecast it, but there's no such thing as 101%. Kaya pag may nagsabi sa inyo, na alam ko hindi ako natatalo ever kasi may proven and tested strategy ako, I tell you, mali po yun. I mean, hindi mali. I mean, siguro the term is sounds fishy. Kasi kahit gaano pa kagaling yan, natatalo at natatalo pa din yan. But the good thing is, meron tayong tinatawag na probability. Let's just say out of the 100%, 10 to 20% talo, but 20% is profit naman, that's still not bad. Okay? So, just so you know guys baka sabihin nyo, grabe naman to si Coach. Totoo yun. Kasi doon tayo nadadali pag nakakarinig tayo, ay ang galing yan, 101%, walang talo yan. Malabo po yun. Kaya merong take profit at stop loss para hindi ka maubos at of course, magi-gauge mo na hanggang dito ka lang calculated yung risk mo. Kunwari, if you're busy, maglagay ka lang ng take profit, stop loss, balikan mo lang mamaya yung trades mo. If you're the type of trader na day trade ka or swing trade, pwede yun or position trader ka. Okay? Ayos tayo dyan. Alright. Eto guys, I have a question for you. Etong trade na to, ano yung tinake ng trader? Ano yung position na ginawa ng trader? Type B for buy and S for sell sa comment section. What do you think? Ano yung tinake ng position ng trader na to? B for buy, S for sell. Can you comment down, guys? Alright. Now, thank you. Ayan, mas gusto kong magsalita pag may maraming i-engage. Ayan. Now, tama po kayo, no? Buy, may araw na paakyat eh. Now, just so you know guys, etong apat na to na, this is what we call candlestick. Okay? Candlestick. Guys, each candlestick may story yan. Okay? Each candlestick, nakakatulong yan sa'yo. Yung mga patterns na ganyan, may story yan na makakatulong sa atin na mas maging profitable and ma-forecast natin ng tama yung mga trades natin. Alright? Now, when the trader took this trade, dito siya nag-entry. Nag-buy siya at 1.098554. This is what we call the price. Okay? Ito yung price. Entry price niya, yung 1.098554. When the trader took this trade, hindi niya pa nakita tong apat na candlestick na to. Kasi moving pa yan eh, gaganon-ganyan pa yan. Now, pero before niya to nakita, nag-set na siya ng TP1. Ito yung sabi ko sa inyo, it's an order na pag mag-profit na, automatic mag-close. TP1, TP2. Now, nung dumating dito yung second na candlestick na to, automatic yan guys, nung nahit niya yung target na to, nag-close yan, profit na si trader. At nag-second TP pa siya, nung umabot dito, nag-close na siya, TP na siya. That means tama yung forecasting niya sa movement ng market. But just to be safe, para hindi din siya mawalan ng, hindi din maubos yung capital niya, kasi dito guys, capital protection over profit, yun talaga yung pinaka-goal natin, no? Now, pag buy kasi guys, ang stop loss niya nasa baba. Okay? So gaganyan siya. Okay? Just in case, no? Nag-reverse ang market, merong high impact news kasi lalo kanina, 'di ba? First Friday of the month, diyan talaga grabe yung movement, yung volatility, hindi natin alam. Just in case hindi siya na pursue yung anticipated forecast mo, pag bumaliktad yan, at least alam mo din may risk ka lang na willing ka malos. All right? Now, eto guys, sa tingin nyo, is this a buy or a sell yung tinake ng trader? Okay? All right. Now guys, your questions later I will entertain ha para ano lang mabilisan lang tayo. Ayan. S for sell, B for buy. Ayan, comment naman dyan. Halata naman siguro guys, no, this is a sell. Okay, dati akala ko, ano na, lugi na pag ganyan eh. Talo ka na, di ba? Yun nga, kasi wala pa masyadong idea. But again, the trader entry is here. Ito yung entry price niya. Etong mga candlestick na to, hindi niya pa nakita nung time na nag-take siya ng order. But nakita nyo naman guys, nag-profit si trader dito. But dito guys, may kita nyo, pag sell yung position niya, okay, yung stop loss nasa taas. Okay? Pag buy, ang stop loss nasa baba. Pag sell, ang stop loss nasa taas. Alright? Just in case the market will go against sa plano mo. Alright? May mga nagdo-drawing lang. Okay? Clear ko lang guys ha. Alright. Now, there you go. Now, next guys, ito yung types of market analysis. Meron tayong fundamental, may technical, may sentimental. But basically, ito yung mga major type of market analysis talaga. We have the fundamental, basically more of the news, no? Kaya po nakikita nyo yung mga news, may mga dumadaan dyan sa baba, yung maliliit. Yan po, meron po yung impact kasi we're talking of currencies. That means, pag maganda yung ekonomiya ng isang bansa, directly mahihit yung currency niya. Okay? So, yung mga red na yan, guys, pwede nyo mahanap yung mga ganito. Hindi nyo na iisa-isahin yung pagre-research on a certain country. May tinatawag tayo na Forex Factory. May mga news doon. Now, ayan, etong kulay red, yan po yung tinatawag natin ng mga high impact news na directly affected on a certain country sa economy nila na ano din yan guys, pag nasa ano ka, pag may mga high impact news, gaganon yan no, aakyat, bababa, bigla. Tapos kung hindi naman aakyat bigla o bababa, opposite din, bababa tapos aakyat. So, ganun yung movement ng market. Hindi mo ma-anticipate. Kaya be very careful when there is an high impact news. Okay? Or HIN. Okay? Now, on the technical analysis guys, mostly sa technical analysis, we use charts and statistics. Again, sabi ko nga, every candlestick may story yan. Ayan yung reason na mas ma-identify mo yung entry and exit points, no? And actually, maganda ang technical analysis na side kasi may mga patterns kang pwedeng mabuo dito na makatulong sa'yo. Okay, eto katulad nito, may mga tinatawag tayo na mga descending channel, ayan, bearish flag. Eto guys, very basic resistance zone. meron tayong tinatawag na breakout, mga support zone. Every movement niyan guys, may story yan. Okay? Now, may mga patterns din na kailangan nating i-memorize. May tinatawag tayo na head and shoulders. No, hindi lang pala shampoo na yan, coach, no? Akala ko shampoo yan. Yan, pag nakita mo tong pattern na to, guys, eto, kunwari, para siyang tatlong ganyan. That means it's a sign of um pababa. Okay? Pag nakita mo yung pattern na yan, okay? Bearish position, pababa. So that means mag-entry ka na and bias ka sa sell. So, may mga trends na kailangan mong or mga patterns na kailangan mong ifa-familiarize para ang movement mo, alam mo na yung next na iti-trade. Kunwari, ascending triangle. Pag nakita mo yung mga ganito, paipit na, ganyan, dito ka mag-entry, aakyat na yan. Tapos dyan ka magbe-base ng ilang pips yung iti-take mo. Dyan ka maglalagay ng dito ba, TP1, TP2, tapos dito ka mag-SL. Okay? Pag rising wedge naman, pag nakikita ka ng ganitong form, okay? It's a sign of bearish position. So, sell ka dyan. Okay? Symmetrical. Marami. Now, question, kaya nyo bang i-memorize yan lahat? Sa tingin nyo, complicated ba si Forex? Coach, parang nakakatakot naman pala. Comment, is Forex complicated or not? Type dyan, yes or no. Be honest. Katingin nyo, complicated or not? Yes or no? Kasi pag no, sige, mag-discuss pa tayo ng mga nosebleed dito. Pag yes naman, hanap tayo ng shortcut konti. Okay? Yung makakatulong natin mapabilis. Okay. Now guys, do you want an easier solution? Of course, I believe naman lahat tayo yes. Okay? Ito talaga yung rason kung bakit din ako andito guys. Just like you, I was just listening to a webinar. Sabi ko, eto na naman, Forex na naman. Paulit-ulit na akong nag-YouTube nito, paulit-ulit na akong bumibili ng mga course nito, pero talo pa din. Pero sige, laban, okay? Now, before I share to you the part 2 sa cheat codes, I just wanna share with you guys what really happened to me, no? Again, sabi ko nga sa inyo, we were scammed, no? Na-scam kami and it was not really a good feeling. And na-try ko din guys na yung mga bot, ganyan, nasunugan din ilang beses. Okay, sino dito nakaka-relate na hindi mo pa talaga nakukuha yung breakthrough mo sa journey mo sa forex trading or to any trading? Baka nagki-crypto ka, baka nagsa-stocks ka, and you're considering sa forex this time. Marami tayo. I believe so ha, kaya andito ka ngayon kasi you're looking for a breakthrough. And it was just a blessing in disguise kasi this man, my mentor, no, my mentor sa e-commerce journey ko, hindi ko alam guys, may idea din pala siya sa forex trading. And it so happened na kilala niya din pala yung isang mentor namin, or hindi naman siguro mentor, but someone we look up to when it comes to digital, sa distribution business, no? And alam niyo po ba, na RDR talks po to si Mentor Edsel. And did you know, meron lang naman siyang 26 million na utang. Okay? Sino dito merong utang at mas malaki pa sa 26 million? Sige nga, sino dito may utang? Huwag kayong mahiya. For sure, wala naman siguro dito yung mga pinag-utangan nyo. But I believe so. You're hoping one day to pay it all up. Tama ba? Wala naman sigurong may gusto na may utang sa ibang tao. You want it na mabayaran yon. And guys, believe it or not, that means if you're someone na andyan sa sitwasyon na yan ngayon, kung itong taong to may 26 million na utang na bayaran niya, that means may chance pa. Ang layo pa, grabe, sabi ko nung nakita ko tong naalala ko yung story niya, sabi ko kaya pala. Kaya pala. And you know what guys? Si Mentor Edsel, he started from nothing, yumaman, nakita ko na naman, nag-down siya. Tapos nung time na yun, nakikinig kami sa kotse. Sabi ko, Mentor Edsel to, 26 million na utang na bayaran. And that's because of this program, si Forex. And guys, of course, with the leadership ni Coach Nars being the founder of the Pinoy trading community and with the help of Mentor Edsel, no? Kaya po nabuo yung cheat codes na sobrang ganda, no? Nasabi ko, meron palang ganito. Akala ko kasi pahirapan, akala ko kasi kailangan talaga magaling ka sa lahat or magaling ka sa math, magaling ka mag-analyze. Well, guys, what I've heard few months ago, I basically started last October, no? Kung ano yung narinig ko at ano yung nakatulong sa akin dito, ito din yung ipapakita ko sa inyo. Okay? Ito yung makakatulong sa atin to jumpstart our forex trading journey. Now, are you ready? Okay? Comment naman number 1 if you're ready. Comment number 1 if you're ready to hear our cheat codes for tonight. Guys, wala nang mag-out ha, wala nang lalabas. Make sure na nakafocus na tayo on this end. Okay, on this part. Malapit na kasi akong matapos. Okay, thank you for the comment. Now guys, meron tayong mga cheat codes. Number 1, we have the AI tools. Yes, sa Forex po, meron na ding AI. We have this what we call pattern scanner, no? Ang nangyayari dyan, di ba kanina ang dami pa nating i-analyze or i-memorize na patterns? The good thing is we have a tool, okay, na siya na yung mag-a-analyze sa movement ng market. Pag nakita niya ang certain na pattern na to, siya na automatic ang magsasabi sa'yo kung nabuo na or hindi at kailan ka mag-i-entry at magsa-stop loss. So may ganito, okay? Kunwari, nakita niya butterfly na complete na. So, bibigyan ka niya ng idea on what trade to do. Okay? Now, bakit siya maganda? Kasi guys, sa Forex po, 70% success ratio pag alam mo yung mga harmonic patterns. And these are harmonic patterns. Kung alam mo yung mga crab, bat, mataas yung chance mo na kumita ka ng malaki dito kasi na-identify mo. At kung wala ka namang idea, which is difficult to be identified by, especially by non-professionals, mahirapan ka talagang kumita dito. So, malaking tulong to guys, no, na merong pattern scanner na magbibigay sa iyo ng idea kung ano na yung nabuo na pattern. And kung mag-fail, hindi siya nabuo, magbibigay din siya ng signal sa iyo. Alright? Now, ito siya sample guys.
Coach, gaano ka-reliable si Manara? So guys, nandito ako na yun sa Manara. As you can see, kanina, ang US 30, sabi dito ni Manara, mag-entry tayo sa at 44570 at mag-target 1 tayo, 44609 o target 2. So, tingnan nyo, ang nangyari, umabot pa sa target 2. So, ganyan lang kasimple lang guys si Manara AI. So, basically ang ginagawa niya, nagre-read ng harmonic patterns ang nagbibigay ng mga signals. Ang gagawin nyo lang is copy-paste yung signals. At as you can see, tumama pa sa target 2. So, pakita ko ng isa pang sample. USD CHF. Ayan. So, sabi ni Manara, entry dito at copy-paste lang tayo, target 1 or target 2 at tumama again sa target 2. So, ganyan lang kasimple guys. So, yan ang maganda kay Manara, isang AI, nagre-read ng harmonic patterns.
Alright. Ayos ba tayo dyan, guys? Now, eto guys, just as a perfect example, eto yung mga kasama din natin na nagtitrade, no? This is not for 1 month or 2 months. Makikita nyo dyan, guys, October 16, 2024. Kumita lang naman si trader using Manara, $1,300. Hindi po peso yan, guys, ha? Dollars po yung pinag-usapan natin. That means how much? Siguro around 80,000, 70,000 pesos. Not bad kasi may guide ka na eh. Mas mapapadali na yung journey mo. At eto, kumita, isang trade lang. Grabe yung lot size, no? 238,000. And eto, si Sir Gio, guys. Ayan. Imagine, guys. Actual trade na to, ito yung final trade. That's around $4,045. So, eto sabi ko sa inyo, di ba? Ilang trades lang yan? 4. Naka 234,000 in 1 day. Okay? Now, you will ask, Coach, magkano ba yung puhunan? I believe so, valid naman yung question na yun. But question is, would it be better if you ask, ano ba yung ginawa niya? Kasi kahit gaano kaliit yung puhunan mo or yung capital mo, basta alam mo na, kaya mo siyang palakihin eh. I believe so, ha? Kasi it's not more of sino yung may malaking capital. It's more of sino yung may idea na how to make it profitable. Okay? And na-meet ko yan siya guys, and si Coach Mars, meet niya din sa online. Ako, he was here last February, and sobrang na-amaze ako, seaman. Hindi na bumalik sa pagbabarko kasi imagine mo kumikita ng 200,000, 50,000, 20,000, hindi lang isang buwan, hindi isang gabi. Tapos ilang trade lang yan, guys. Alright? Na gusto niyo ba 'yun? Pangalawa, again, first is the AI, pangalawa is the signals. Kung gusto niyo po ng signals, meron tayong swipe to trade and also the Solex, wherein you just subscribe, download the app, okay, sa academy natin, may magbibigay na po ng mga signals doon. Okay? So, it's coming from our educators as well. Okay? That's on the signals end. Kasi I believe marami talagang naghahanap din ng signals dito. I have nothing against signals. Maganda din to guys ha. Pero iba pa din kung natututo ka basic and advanced. Which is what I really love on the number 3. May academy talaga. May basic forex, may advanced, may masterclass. Wherein may mga sinusunod ka dito na mga program. Kasi guys, eto, sino dito nakaka-relate sa akin na nag-YouTube? Sa sobrang dami mong na-research sa YouTube, nag-analysis paralysis ka na, hindi mo na alam kung ano ba yung i-apply, ano ba yung tama, kasi etong educator na to, iba din ito, paiba-iba. It so happen na ang ganda ng academy kasi may AI, may signal, and may basic and advanced, at meron pang masterclass. Kung masterclass yung hinahanap mo guys, may mga ano talaga, foreign na mga kasama natin, mga master traders abroad na tinitrain din tayo dito. Okay? Now, ang ganda lang kasi naka-recorded na yan. Now, once every time matapos mo yung isang video na yan, around 15 to 20 minutes yung isang video, may mga quiz din. So, can you just imagine, para karang nag-enroll sa school, no? Na meron ka talagang education na makukuha at matututo ka talaga. 'Di ba? At least dito, pag matuto ka na, dollars yung pinag-uusapan natin nakita, guys ha. All right? Now, meron ding mga bonus na iba when it comes to crypto and stocks. And meron ding masterclass. Ito, pwede nyong sumabay kayo sa mga masterclass. Okay? Now, ang pinaka-the best din, one of the pinaka-gusto ko. Okay? Ito pala yung mga educators natin. One of pinaka-gusto ko guys is si Abdallah Harfouch. Okay? Ito yung nagla-live trade, master trader from the UAE na almost every night nagla-live talaga sa academy natin, na for me ha, nasa around 90% talaga yung win rate niya. And ito yung ginagawa niya guys, na nakikita natin yung live trading with our master trader Abdallah, na 5 to 15 minutes lang guys, every night dito sa Philippines 9:30 PH time, kayo na mag-convert guys, opening ng New York market, sinasabayan lang natin siya. Pag nagsabi siyang buy, buy. Pag nagsabi siyang sell, sell. Ganun lang. Pakita ko sa inyo guys.
So guys, kahit walang experience dito sa forex trading, may nagsasabay ka lang sasabihin niya.
Sa Zoom yan guys ha, every night, almost every night, sasabay ka na lang. Okay? Now, question, Coach, paano pag wala si Abdallah? Guys, don't worry. Kasi hindi po ibig sabihin na sasabay ka, wala kang idea. Bago ka sumabay, may training po tayo dyan. Okay? May training, may Pinoy na training, at merong si Abdallah na training, at may mga backtesting yan na kahit wala si Abdallah, kaya mo nang mag-trade. But of course, blessing si Abdallah kasi sobrang confirmation yung mga trades niya. Alam nyo ba guys, as in, grabe, even yung mga magagaling na mga traders na kilala ko, grabe, sobrang naa-amaze din sila sa scalping strategy ni Abdallah kasi sobrang tagal niya na tong ginagawa guys, and pumapaldo talaga siya dito. Sobrang daming sumasabay at kumikita dahil sa live trading ni Abdallah. 'Di ba? For sure, meron dito maghahanap, gusto ko, turuan ako talaga personal. Guys, nakakapagod yung personal. Alam mo, live ka na kahit umulan, bumagyo, merong Zoom, live, sabay ka na lang sa live trading ni Abdallah. 'Di ba? I mean, nothing against sa personal, 'di ba? Okay pa din naman. Pero kung saan ang accessible at mabilis, why not dun ka? Ito yun, yung perfect example. And we also have chart mastery. On top sa academy, guys, what I love about our community, meron pang mga chart mastery series. Okay? Ito, katulad ni Sir Eman, 66 years old, retiree, kumikita na din dahil sa community natin. Ayan, may mga feedback. Kahit hindi nga 120%, kahit 80 to 90% lang, okay na yan. Sabi dito, first time in my entire forex trading career na consistent yung earnings ko. Ayan, mga income ni Abdallah guys, pinupost niya. Kung may talo si Abdallah, pinupost niya din yan. Ito, si Ma'am Jedalyn from UAE. 'Di ba? Absent dahil pumuputok ang ubo pero trade is life. Isang buwan daw niya nasahod, profit na niya in not more than 4 hours. 42,000 lang naman yung kinita niya. Eto sa Manara, kumita $1,201, no? Lahat ng yan guys, AI tools, the signals, the basic, advanced forex, the live trading. Coach, may bayad ba? Guys, simple lang. If you wanna earn money, kailangan mong maglabas din ng pera. Okay, diretsa ang storya. On a forex formal class guys, nasa around 70 to 150,000 yan. Kung advance 400,000, pupunta ka pa ng Makati, BGC just to do a live forex formal webinar. Magbabayad ka pa ng hotel mo, eroplano, kain pa. Eto guys, ma-access mo na online at your free time kasi lahat naman is recorded na din. Again, everything is recorded kaya you can do it at your own time. Okay? Now, good news. Kasi instead of paying this much, you can start, no? Ito pala yung mga may-ari natin, guys, no? It's a US-based company, okay? Kaya maganda dito, guys. Excited na sila, oh. You can start for as low as $999 for 1 year time. Maa-access mo na si AI Trading, si Manara, si Eka, si VIP Signal, si Live Session. Okay? That's siguro nasa around 30,000 plus. But kung gusto mo naman ng 6 months, meron din. And also, may bonus tayo. Yung mga chart mastery series, yung community, group coaching, may scalping strategy pa tayo na on top na tinuro ni Coach Nars, ma-access mo din yan. Alam nyo, sa free gift pa lang, paldon na kayo dyan eh. Kita na kayo dyan kasi nasa around 30,000 na yan kung tutusin. But dito guys, you start for 1 year, $999, okay? May bonus pa and you can use using your credit card and debit card, pwede din crypto payment, okay? Now, Coach, ang laki naman yan. Pwede ba? Subukan ko yung maliit lang. Guys, I tell you, sobrang mura na po nito kung forex yung pag-uusapan kasi sobrang mahal. But I hear you, okay? Now, pag hindi pa naman kaya, katulad nito guys, alam nyo ba, the same yung ino-offer ng academy na to. But grabe, almost the same lang naman yung topic. May live trading pa tayo kay Abdallah. Ito guys 1 month or one-time payment nila is 1,499. May monthly subscription pa yan na $99. Sobrang mahal talaga. But we hear you. Guys, gusto nyo ba ng good news? May dalawang good news ako tonight. Okay, type nyo dyan, good news. Type nyo nga good news. Baka nasa good mood ako ngayon eh. Magpapa-good news tayo. Alright. Gusto nyo ba ng good news? Ayan. Okay, wag muna kayong umalis kasi may good news ako sa inyo. Okay? You can start for as low as $199 only. You can access the AI trading, the Manara pattern scanner, the Eka, the swipe to trade, the live sessions, lahat ng yon. Kasama pa yung bonus. Grabe, pinamimigay na lahat dito. For only $199, or kung nasa Pinas ka, discounted ka po ng $185, you can access everything for 1 month. Okay? Now, Coach, that means subscription. Ano yung 149 monthly subscription? On the next month, kung gusto mo pang mag-proceed, 'di ba? Pwede ka na lang magbayad at a discounted price na magkano yung subscription, nasa around $149. Okay? Now, Coach, kung 1 month lang yung i-avail ko, pwede na ba? Matututo na ba ako? Guys, so far out of the 100%, nasa around 80 to 90% din naman yung natututo with only just 1 month. Kung gusto mo lang subukan, kung ayaw mo nang mag-proceed next month, okay lang kasi you're still part of the community, you're still part of the webinar, and also, kasama pa yung bonus. Ma-access nyo pa din yung mga technical analysis natin ng mga training na naka-record na, yung scalping strategy ni Coach Nars. And guys, eto lang guys sulit na yan. Honestly, maghanap kayo ng ganyan kamura. Hindi kayo makakahanap na worth the money you're paying. Now, I have a question for you. Sino dito gustong mag-start today? Okay? Sino dito gustong mag-start na today? Comment naman dyan number 1 if you're interested. And if you're interested pero wala ka pang start, well, that's okay. Kasi may good news ako sa inyo. Type number 2. Type number 1, if you wanna start today, congratulations. Kasi this time, guys, may good news kami sa inyo. For those people naman na gustong mag-start pero wala pang pera, no, well, that's okay. Okay? I have a good news pa din sa inyo. Okay? Now, please approach the person or the page na nagbigay sa inyo ng link and comment, I joined the webinar. Comment, I joined the, wag kayong mag-comment dito. Message the person na nag-send sa'yo ng link or message the page na nag-send sa'yo ng link na I joined the webinar. Whether may pang-enroll ka na or wala ka pang-enroll, this is us giving back to the community. May mga free trainings din tayo doon. But guys, if you're someone na sasabihin mo sa akin, may pera naman ako coach, pero doon muna ako sa free. Guys, iba po ang training, iba din po ang GC once fully enrolled ka na. Iba din sa free GC. Okay? Sa free GC, what we can do is mga basics lang talaga, hindi mo doon ma-access si cheat code. But if you enroll today, good news, kasi ang dami nating events na upcoming na sobrang ma-enjoy ka. And also guys, announce ko lang, tomorrow, no? Saturday, June 7, 10 p.m., we have a Zoom webinar. And congratulations ahead sa mag-e-enroll today kasi may bonus kayo bukas. And sa mga hindi pa talaga kaya, mag-attend din kayo bukas. We have a launching on our community. First time po mangyayari sa community natin to. As in, first time. Be there. Message the person or the page para ma-add ka sa GC at para ma-update ka doon para makasali ka sa event bukas. Again, for those who enroll today, congratulations kasi may bonus ka pa bukas. And sa mga hindi pa naman talaga kaya, okay lang yan, mag-attend kayo bukas kasi may good news din kami sa inyo. Alright? Now, what will happen to you if you subscribe? Simple lang. Kikita talaga tayo dito, guys. Alam nyo, eto si Miss Marichu, na-challenge talaga ako nito. Nagkita kami February. Imagine niyo guys, kumita to ng around 100,000 last January. 50 years old, if I'm not mistaken. Gamit, favorite niya yung pattern scanner. As in, sabi ko, mas magaling pa to. Ako, favorite ko si Abdallah eh. No? So, yan. Eto guys, registered nurse, kumita naman ng 1 million dahil sa trading. No? And even si Manny Pacquiao is also our partner when it comes to financial literacy.
From great boxers.
Yan, sa community natin. Okay? And question, sir, okay lang ba mag-trade kahit hindi ako na-enroll? Okay lang. You still want to earn na hindi ka nag-enroll? Okay lang. Pero itong sabi ni Didog
Huwag
Digong,
mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay
okay?
mo. Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang
Simple
buhay
lang,
mo.
bakit masisira ang buhay mo? Pag nag-trade ka tapos hindi ka nag-enroll or wala kang alam. Did you know that 95% of the new traders fail because number 1, insufficient education and knowledge. Walang alam, ginawang sugal si forex trading. Wag pong ganun. Invest on your learnings first. Magte-trade ka ng $100, $200, $300, maubos lang din naman. Mag-enroll ka muna. Aralin mo muna. Okay? And we also have a bonus for you guys. Once you're in the GC, we have a 2-day challenge Forex for beginners. Andun na sa GC, ibibigay din natin. Ayan, alright? So, eto, last. I'm done. Remind ko lang sa inyo. Okay? Invest in yourself as much as you can because you are your own biggest asset by far. Guys, pag natuto kayo dito, pag kumita kayo, hihingi ba kami ng komisyon? Hihingi ba kami ng, uy, pumaldo ka ngayon, kumita ka, bigyan mo naman kami kasi kami yung nag-guide sa'yo? Hindi. gagastusin mo yan para sa pamilya mo. Pero the thing is, once natuto ka dito, just imagine this. Pinagtawanan ka siguro ng pamilya mo, akala nila pumapasok ka na naman sa scam. Well, guess guys, this is education. We're not investing on tutubo lang yung pera mo. Nag-i-invest ka dito. And ito yung pinaka-greatest asset natin. Sabi nga, 'di ba, ang hindi pwedeng nakawin sa atin is yung education. Wherein, once alam mo nang mag-forex, alam mo nang mag-trade, can you just imagine, you can be a bearer of hope sa pamilya mo. Ikaw magtuturo sa kapatid mo, sa nanay mo, sa tatay mo, sa anak mo, sa apo mo. Imagine, guys, forex is the language of the rich. Alam yan ng mga OFW na nagtatrabaho, ng mga amo nila, yung mayaman sa forex. Bakit sila lang yung mayaman? Kasi sila yung nag-i-invest dito. Sila yung may alam. Pag tayo, bili ng bagong cellphone, napakabilis. Pero, sorry to say this, medyo, I hope I do not offend anyone, pero wake up call na to guys, na it's never too late for us to learn. It's never too late for us na matuto ng mga bagong bagay para makatulong sa pamilya natin. 'Di ba? Kaya walang pagbabago siguro sa buhay natin kasi ganun pa din yung quality of mind na meron tayo. So for me, no, kung meron lang sana nito nung college ako, if alam ko lang, sana ito na yung tinake up ko. Kasi, 'di ba, at least dito kikita ka na agad, hindi ka na maghahanap pa ng trabaho pa, 'di ba? Now, guys, it's never too late. Si Sir Eman, 66 years old na kaya. Meron dito mga bata, any background, age, gender, trabaho mo, kahit ano pa yan, as long as you're willing. Okay? Now is the best time. Hindi bukas, hindi kahapon, but now. Act on it now. Kasi bakit? Pag kumita ka, yung gusto mo, mag-for good ka sa Pilipinas, may oras ka sa pamilya, financial and time freedom, makukuha mo. But you have to act it out. Hindi pwede gusto ko lang, ito lang yung plano ko. Hindi pwede plano-plano lang. Hindi pwede gusto lang. You have to act on it. Magkano lang naman yung $199, 'di ba? Sabihin mo sa akin, sir, ikaw kasi mayaman. Guys, it depends eh. Ba't ka nakakabili ng mamahaling gamit? 'Di ba? Cellphone, luho. Pero when it comes to investing on your learnings, hindi tayo nakakapagbigay ng pera dyan. This time, guys, baguhin natin yung culture at attitude na ganyan. Alright? I highly encourage you to invest in yourself. Invest in yourself para matuto, para kumita ka dito. Alright? Now, you have questions? Now is the best time magtanong. Okay? May mga sorry na, koan. Bisayang-Bisaya. Okay, now guys, magtatanong kayo, sir, kasama na ba si Capital dyan sa $199? Hindi pa po kasama. Ito yung program natin. Okay? Meron tayong cheat code. Mag-e-enroll kayo, may link na isi-send sa inyo kung sino yung specific na ka-assign sa inyo na leaders. Huwag po kayong mag-message sa akin kasi alam ko kung sino lang yung naka-assign sa akin, may specific kami. Okay? Mga listahan. Okay? May list kami. Now, after that, mag-o-onboarding tayo. And we have a program na on the first 2 weeks, you just do demo account. Okay? Ano ba yung demo account, coach? Gag-guide namin kayo mag-open ng broker's account to MT5. Okay? That's our legit trading platform where we execute our trades. Ang mangyayari dito guys, live charts, kung ano talaga yung nangyayari sa live na movement ng market, pero demo money muna. On the third, tsaka fourth week, no, kung ready ka na practice mo na yung mga strategies, naaral mo na, you can start for as low as $100 to $200 na naman. So, iba yung capital, iba din yung pang-enroll. Okay? Ayos ba tayo dyan? Baka may magsasabi nakasama na ba dyan? Clear out ko na yan, iba pa siya. Okay? Second, okay? May magtatanong, sir, naka one-on-one coaching ba tayo? Guys, wala tayong one-on-one coaching. Okay? What we have is group coaching. Okay? When you say group coaching, may mga webinars po tayo. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, na kung hindi ka naman maka-attend, once you're already in the VIP, naka-recorded na yan lahat. Okay? Now, at least how much? You can start for as low as $100 to $200 for the capital. Okay? Huwag muna malaki. Okay? Huwag muna malaki. Okay? $199 kung enroll, di kaya ang 999. Depende po sa inyo, no? Kung mas comfortable kayo for 1 year para wala na kayong iisipin na bayad, that's good, no? Mas makakatipid ka talaga for 1 year. Gusto ko yung mindset na 1 year, no? Kasi ma-access mo anytime. Pag 199, if you just wanna try, okay din. Pero kung gusto mo, matry mo for 1 month. Kung talagang okay ba, tapos next month mag-upgrade ka, pwede din. Walang problema yon. Okay? Just to be safe. Alright? Now, ano pa ba? Again, guys, bukas, sa mga mag-e-enroll today, congratulations ahead. Congratulations ahead. Kasi meron kaming good news sa inyo bukas. That's gonna be 10 p.m. PH time. Okay? Now, coach a broker if mag-start. Sa broker, guys, of course, we just wanna secure a regulated broker. If you have one, that's not an issue. You can still continue to use it kasi kung saan kayo comfortable, academy lang naman tayo, guys, eh. Wala pong problema yon. But if you're looking for, if you're a newbie, wala ka pang regulated broker, may link din kami na ituturo. Kasama yan sa cheat code, guys. Naka-step by step yan. Hindi yung tipong papasok ka dito, bahala ka na sa buhay mo, may website ka na. No. We have a Google Docs, lahat naka-step by step na yon. Ito yung step 1, gawin mo. Step 2, gawa ka ng broker. Step 3, ito yung mga schedules natin. Ganito. So, hindi ka na malilito. Kasi may experience ako dito, guys. Sumali. Tapos gusto niya na malaman agad, okay naman yon. Pero iba pa din yung may clarity ka sa direction mo, sa program mo, Okay, sa forex trading journey mo para hindi ka na malito. All right? Sino pa? Magkano kikitain per trade? Depende yan sa lot size and sa leverage. But you're gonna know more of it, Roger. Simple lang, huwag ka munang maghabol sa profit. Okay? Huwag muna, alam nyo guys, ang pinaka kumikita ng malaki dito sa community namin, trust me, those are the people na hindi hinabol yung kita, but hinabol ang learnings. I tell you, you will just get frustrated kung profitability agad yung kikita, yung hahabulin nyo. But you will enjoy the process kung aaralin nyo siya. Magtataka na lang kayo, gumagaling na pala kayo. Kasi it will take at least 6 months to 2 years to be a profitable trader. But dito guys, kung talagang gusto nyo, 1 month lang or at least 2 months siguro, balikan nyo ako pag hindi pa kayo natuto. Pag hindi pa kayo natuto, that means tamad na kayo dyan. Kasalanan nyo na yan. 'Di ba? After 1 year subscription, what's next? Depende po sa inyo if you're still gonna continue or if after a month, magaling na kayo, okay na kayo. Or after a year, okay na kayo. We will be happy na natuto kayo sa community. You're still part of the community pa din naman if hindi na kayo mag-proceed sa subscription. So may GC pa din tayo, may mga webinars pa din tayo. So enjoy lang yung process. Coach, from Uzamis lang po ako, sana ma-meet tayo. Soon, no? I believe we will have a gathering soon sa Cagayan, an offline gathering. Baka lang after our launch on this 30 days challenge natin bukas. Okay? So, ayan, may mga sinagot pa si Coach Nars. By the way, I'd like to honor the man behind our community, Coach Nars Paraguya, who's here. Palakpakan naman po natin, guys. We have Sir Jimro, we have Ma'am Jedali na andito, no? This will not be possible. We have Ma'am Marge, no? This will not be possible without them, no? So kaya nagpapasalamat talaga kami na andito yung mga puso ng coaches natin to guide, no? Andyan sila sa atin, nakatulong talaga sa atin to ako especially where I am now. All right? So I believe I've answered every questions right now. Meron pa ba? Again, message the person, the page na nag-send ng link sa inyo dito. And congratulations ahead sa mga mag-e-enroll today kasi bukas may good news kami sa inyo. And sa mga hindi pa talaga kaya today, okay lang. Still be there tomorrow, 10 p.m., July 7, Saturday. Hindi pala tomorrow sa amin dito sa Pinas, mamaya na pala. 10 p.m. no? Mamaya, webinar. Just keep posted sa GC kasi doon kami magsisend ng link. Alright? May mga natutunan ba? I hope na natuto kayo tonight. Maraming salamat everyone. God bless po sa lahat ng andito. Ingat po kayo. Bye-bye po.